Senate Republicans have once again blocked a resolution aimed at limiting former President Trump's Iran war powers. Why is this decision happening now, and what could it mean for U.S. foreign policy? On April 16, 2026, Senate Republicans voted against a resolution that sought to rein in the war powers granted during former President Trump's administration concerning Iran. This is not the first time Republicans have rejected such measures, signaling ongoing partisan divisions over U.S. military engagement in the Middle East. The resolution aimed to limit presidential authority to conduct military operations against Iran without congressional approval, but it failed due to Republican opposition. The resolution in question was designed to repeal or limit the 2019 war powers authorization granted to then-President Trump to conduct military operations in or against Iran. Lawmakers who support the resolution argue it would restore congressional oversight over decisions that could lead to armed conflict. Opponents, mainly Senate Republicans, argue that such limitations could hinder U.S. strategic flexibility in the volatile Middle East. This vote is part of a larger debate on the balance of power between the presidency and Congress when it comes to military action. By rejecting the resolution, Senate Republicans maintain broader executive authority for military decisions involving Iran. Supporters of the resolution warn that without congressional checks, the U.S. risks entering conflicts without proper debate or mandate. With the Senate unable to rein in war powers related to Iran, U.S. foreign policy remains in a state of ambiguity. This could impact negotiations, diplomatic efforts, and military posturing toward Iran. The lack of a clear congressional hold on military action raises concerns about escalation risks without broad political consensus. Despite this setback, advocates for congressional oversight are expected to continue pushing for resolutions that reinstate checks on presidential war powers. The ongoing partisan split means similar votes may recur, especially if tensions with Iran escalate or new administrations seek expanded military authority. This Senate vote shows how deeply divided lawmakers are over U.S. military authority and Iran policy. For you, it means that decisions about war could happen without full congressional approval, affecting global stability and national security. Stay informed and subscribe to Daily Q&A for updates on how this impacts your world.